simplify. I think as far as mathematical command words of what you need to do, simplify is the most complicated one. Because in math, we use that so often, and it means something different every single time we use it. If you say simplify with a fraction, you know that that means reduce to lowest terms. If you say simplify with like polynomials, well then you know that means add your like terms together. If you see simplify with numbers, it just means do all the adding and subtracting and get a final number. So what does it mean with logarithms? Okay, simplify with logarithms means write as a single logarithm. In other words, all of those formulas that we've looked at already, everything on the left side of those formulas, that would be the simplified side. Everything on the right side would be an expanded side. So in each of these, we want to take our formulas, and I'll write them out here so that you can see them again. We've got our formula that says, and I'll write it the same way as on your formula sheet. If you multiply inside of a logarithm, you can add. If you divide inside of a logarithm, you can subtract. And if you have a power inside of a logarithm, you can multiply by the exponent. So those are our three log laws. And when we simplify, we want to write it as the left side here. So basically in A, what you're looking for is I have a log 7 plus log 8. Does that match as the right-hand side of any of those formulas? Yes, it matches with the first one. If I have a log plus a log, I can rewrite it. Base stays the same, so this is a common log with a base of 10. I can rewrite it as 7 times 8. So that would just equal log of 56. And that would be simplified, because I've written it as a single logarithm. For the second one, it's not a single logarithm yet because there's a 5 in front. Do we have on the right side somewhere where there could be a number in front? Yes. Our last one. So what can we do with that number? We can put it inside the logarithm. So log 2 as an exponent of 5. So you can leave it like that, or if you wanted to actually 2 to the power 5 is 32. Yes?
Is it all right if we use log bracket and then, or is that not accepted? For example, doing log bracket 2 to the power 5 bracket.
You're going to have an extra set of brackets there is fine. And then in part C, we're subtracting. And so we have a log law that says subtracting is division, so you could write 80 divided by 16. Again, you don't need to simplify in grade 12, but if it was a multiple choice, they might have simplified the 80 over 16 to just 5. Okay, questions are 4 and 12. We are going to do example 2 before we get to those.